Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Meletrix BOOG75 gaming keyboard. It's been making waves for its unique features and impressive design, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Meletrix BOOG75 is a heavyweight in both literal and figurative senses. It boasts a gasket-mounted design with a sturdy aluminum frame, which not only looks sleek but also keeps the keyboard firmly in place during intense gaming sessions. Starting with the design, the BOOG75 sports a striking aesthetic with its black and green color scheme. The double-shot PBT keycaps allow the RGB lighting to shine through beautifully, giving it a futuristic yet professional look. The keyboard is notably heavy at 6.6 pounds, which adds to its premium feel but might make it less portable for some users. Let's talk about the typing experience. The keyboard features Gateron KS37B magnetic switches, known for their smooth linear feel. These switches offer adjustable actuation points from 0.1 mm to 4.0 mm, allowing for quicker response times in gaming and comfortable typing for long sessions. One of the standout features of the BOOG75 is its customization options. It's hot swappable, meaning you can change switches and keycaps to suit your preference. Meletrix offers a variety of customization possibilities, although it's worth noting that it currently supports only magnetic switches. Now, regarding the software, the BOOG75 lacks a dedicated desktop app, which some users might find inconvenient. All customization is done through Meletrix's website, where you can adjust RGB lighting, set macros, and fine-tune the keyboard's performance settings. It's functional but could benefit from a more streamlined desktop solution. In conclusion, the Meletrix BOOG75 is a top-notch gaming keyboard that delivers on both style and performance fronts. Despite a few drawbacks like its weight and limited switch options, it excels in providing a satisfying gaming and typing experience. If you're looking for a keyboard that combines robust build quality with extensive customization capabilities, the BOOG75 is definitely worth considering. That wraps up our review of the Meletrix BOOG75 gaming keyboard. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews like this. Let me know in the comments what you think of the BOOG75 or if there are other products you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.